In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut a video in CapCut, the fast and easy way, so you can trim out mistakes, remove extra parts, and keep your edits clean and professional. Whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform, knowing how to split clips properly is one of the most important CapCut skills you can learn. It saves time, makes editing easier, and gives you much more control over your final video. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step editing guides. Alright, let's jump into CapCut and get started. First, open your project in CapCut. If you already have a video started, just load it up. If not, create a new project and import the video you want to edit. Once your clip is added, you should see it sitting on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline is where all the editing happens, so this is the area you'll be working in most of the time. Now move the playhead to the exact point where you want to make your cut. The playhead is the vertical line that shows where you are in the video. You can drag it left or right until it lands right where you want the split to happen. If you want to remove a mistake, a pause, or any unwanted section, place the playhead at the start of that section first. Once the playhead is in the right spot, select the video clip if it isn't already selected. Then click Split on the toolbar above the timeline. If you're using a keyboard, you can also press Ctrl+ B as a shortcut. This instantly cuts the clip into two separate pieces right at the playhead position. That's the main step you'll use again and again whenever you edit in CapCut. If you want to remove a section in the middle of your video, move the playhead to the end of the part you want to delete and split the clip again. Now you'll have three sections: the part before the unwanted section itself, and the part after it. This makes it easy to isolate only the section you don't want. Next, click the unwanted middle clip to select it. Then press delete. Once you remove it, CapCut will leave a gap in the timeline. That's completely normal. At this point, you can drag the remaining clips together so everything flows smoothly again. Just click and hold the clip on the right, then move it left until it snaps into place next to the first clip. This keeps your video continuous and removes any empty space. If you're doing a lot of editing, this cut and delete method is one of the most useful things to master. You can use it to cut out filler words, long pauses, mistakes, dead air, or anything that makes your video feel too slow. It's also great for creating faster-paced edits that feel more polished and engaging. A quick tip: zoom in on the timeline if you need more precision. That makes it much easier to place the playhead exactly where you want the cut. And if you make a mistake, don't worry, you can always undo and try again. The more you practice splitting clips, the quicker and more natural it will feel. So to recap, open your project, move the playhead to the cut point, click Split or press Ctrl+ B split again if needed, delete the unwanted section, and drag the remaining clips together. That's how you cut in CapCut in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more editing tips next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.